Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are facing marble error code 211, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step. When you are facing this problem, press the window plus R button from your keyboard and pop up a run command. Type here firewall.cpl and press enter. Then go to the allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it and search here firewall game or Steam and check the Steam. Both often checked public and private, as well as Marvel Rivals games also do same. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is reset your network connection. For this, go to setting and then click on network and internet. Now scroll down and go to the advanced network setting and click on the network reset and reset from here. After doing this step, check again your problem. If it persists, then next is go to the browser and search here Marble Rival server status and click on down director or official website of Marble Rivals and check the server status of the game. If found any issue in the server, then wait to fix. Otherwise, follow the next step. Next is completely close the game and reopen. So by this way you can fix your problem. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching this video.